Oh, yung Parañaque, syempre, bakit ka magsasalita doon? Syempre, harap ng piskal yun, harap ng prose. Di ba? Alam mo, marespeto tayo sa mga prosecutor eh. Hindi tayo sawsawera. Oo. Hindi tayo yung hindi ka pa tinatanong eh, nagsasalita na. Pretending to be strong, but they are not strong. Yes. Yun. They are pretending to be strong, but they are not. Alam mo, education will not represent who you are, but your attitude does. So, speaking in front of fiscal or prosecutor, speaking in front of prosecutor while the prosecutor not asking any question, you had a bad attitude. That's why the prosecutor did not ask me question. So, why should I speak? Di ba? In fact, hindi ako makikipag-areglo. Okay, nasuhan nila ako, hindi ko sila kilala. Tatadtarin ko rin sila ng kaso doon sa probinsya namin hanggang sa mag-iyakan sila. Ayun yun. Walang aregluhan to. Oo. Mayayaman pala sila eh. And then so be it.